Hi computer users, if you are worried how to transfer your mobile files to laptop and laptop files to mobile, don't worry, I'm going to share one nice trick to you all. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Support me guys. First method is using your mobile charging data cable. Okay, it's not for only charging purpose, it's purpose for sharing data to your computer, mobile phones very easily. Okay, and how can we do that? Let's do this. As shown is the picture, insert that USB cable into your computer USB port, then after connect the computer with the charger. Okay, then after follow these steps. Here I have inserted data cable, and after in the phone scroll down and you can find right there changing the USB options, and this device, okay, you have to choose their file transfer. Now let's jump to the computer. Now you can see notification of my mobile, that is Vivo 25, and click the computer and you can find out their mobile icon. Okay, and just click it. This is the memory of my mobile. You can find out documents of my mobile here and just copy and paste to the computer, and you can copy document of your computer and you can paste to the mobile's memory. Okay, hence you can transfer file from mobile to phone and phone to mobile very easily. Okay, this is the one trick, and I'm going to share another trick here. This trick is wirelessly transfer file. Okay, go to the Play Store, your mobile phone, then after download FTP server. Okay, at the top you can find FTP server, then after click the install. Follow the steps properly, watch the video very carefully. Okay, otherwise you may be face the problem. Yes, it's downloaded. Now click open, then after click the start, you can find out the restart. Click start, then after allow access, then after allow click allow, and here you can find out one server URL. Okay, you have to type that URL in your computer system. Okay, how can you do this? Okay, follow this step. Now jump to the computer side, then after open this PC or my computer, then after right click and select add network location and click next and click next, and here you have to type that your mobile server URL here. Okay, I am going to type here. You can just type like this. Okay, what the address is given in a mobile phone. Then after click the next menu, next button, and click next and click, then after click finish. Yeah friends, here now we can access our mobile files, okay, data in our computer. Just copy and paste in a computer, or you can paste document from computer to the mobile memory. Okay, wow, this is very cool trick, I think. Okay friends, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and if you faced any problem, then after let me know in the comment box. Okay, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.